So in this video we will know that how to install JioTV Plus on your TV. So let's start the video. So guys, find here Google Play Store option on your TV. So guys, if you not found this Google Play Store option under this app, so guys click here and find setting option on your TV, open it. Now guys, find here a option apps. You can see here, maybe on your TV here manage apps option. So open this apps option, and after that guys, click here see all apps, click on it. And after that guys, you can see here there are some options are displayed here. Now find here Google Play Store option under this list. Now open it. Now guys, click here open option. Okay, open it, Google Play Store. After that guys, there are three options: apps, games and search. Now click on search, and after that guys, type here JioTV. So type here JIO, okay, JioTV. You can see here there are a JioTV option. Now select this JioTV and search it. So guys, you can see here there are a JioTV Plus option are displayed here. So guys, if there are a install option, now install this, okay. And if there are a update option, now click here update option. So guys, you can see here our JioTV apps gets properly updated on our TV. Now click here open button, okay. So guys, you can see here there a Jio logo is displayed on our screen. So wait for some times, and after that guys, sign in and register here with your phone number. So guys, after that click here apps option, okay, and find here JioTV application on your TV. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.